Are you ready to elevate your outdoor adventures? Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just dipping your toes into the wild, our comprehensive guide to essential outdoor gear will ensure you're well prepared for whatever nature throws your way. Don't just venture out, thrive in the great outdoors with gear that brings out the spirit of adventure in everyone. Let's gear up, step out, and breathe in the raw beauty of nature with confidence. Dive in to find out how each of these expertly crafted items can transform your outdoor experiences, from simple outings to epic excursions. Experience the great outdoors with the Camel Crown Camping Dome Tent, perfect for various adventures from camping and hiking to fishing and family outings. Made with strong polyester and boasting a waterproof design, this dome tent ensures you stay dry and comfortable. The fiberglass frame gives you a sturdy structure that stands up to wind and rain. Breathable screens keep out pesky bugs while allowing fresh air to circulate, giving you a restful environment to enjoy nature's views. Setting up this lightweight tent is a breeze, taking only minutes, so you can start relaxing sooner. Plus, it comes with a carrying bag for easy transport. Whether you're on a solo hike or having fun with friends and family, this versatile dome tent is just what you need for your next outdoor adventure. The Villy Camping side table is an ultra-lightweight, portable table designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Perfect for camping, picnics, beach outings, and travel. This table is simple to pack and transport due to its foldable design and convenient carry bag. Crafted from aluminum, it's both lighter and more durable than wooden options. An innovative hinge connection adds stability, ensuring it stands firm in various terrains. This robust table can handle significant weight, allowing you to use it for a variety of activities, including cooking and serving meals. The waterproof aluminum tabletop is clean and made to resist fading, so it will maintain its appearance over time. Plus, setting up this table is a breeze. No tools are required. It's just the right height to complement most camping chairs, making it an excellent addition to your outdoor gear. Anen wasachir. These containers are designed with durability. Lines. Instinct what my isor nisiness wisens me the cheese of in wabat ambite and one pass hand ka howen. It's giant Howard is made from high quality materials that ensure your water stays clean and ready to use. Lightweight and portable, they come in various sizes to suit your needs, making them perfect for camping trips, hikes, or as a precautionary measure for disaster preparedness. With an easy-to-use spout, these water containers allow for a convenient pouring without spillage, making them practical for everyday use. The secure seal keeps the water safe from contaminants, and the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're an avid outdoors person or looking to bolster your emergency supplies, Kuzmint water containers offer a practical solution for maintaining access to clean water. The KingCamp, camping sleeping product specially designed for those who love the great outdoors, ensures a comfortable night's sleep away from home. Perfect for camping adventures, this sleeping gear combines comfort, convenience, and durability. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed to keep you warm and cozy, even on cooler nights. Lightweight and easy to carry, this sleeping setup is ideal for hikers, campers, and anyone looking to enjoy a night under the stars without sacrificing comfort. It's quick to set up, meaning more time to enjoy your surroundings. Water-resistant and built to last, it's a practical choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Get ready for restful sleep and wake up refreshed for your next adventure with the KingCamp camping sleeping gear. The PinSiiz small LED camping lantern is a vintage-inspired, rechargeable light that brings a cozy, soft glow to any setting. Perfect for setting a relaxing atmosphere outdoors or providing ample light in emergencies, this lantern's unique spiral LED filaments protect your eyes while illuminating your space. It's equipped with a 2500 mAh battery, charging via a Type-C interface, and lasts between 5 to 12 hours based on the brightness setting used, requiring about 3 hours to fully charge. Its design includes a metal handle for easy carrying or hanging, making it exceptionally portable. Built with a sturdy metal shell and waterproof against splashing, it's suitable for all-weather use outdoors. Plus, the lamp is made with high standards, offering a 2-year warranty to back its quality. Whether for camping, power outages, or just creating a cozy ambiance, the PinSiiz lantern is a versatile companion. The Alo Camping Kettle is a lightweight and durable solution for enjoying hot beverages while exploring the outdoors. It's specially crafted from food-grade hard anodized aluminum, making it safe, corrosion-resistant, rust-proof, and highly resistant to scratches. This ensures it's both stable and long-lasting. Designed with liter capacity, it's perfectly sized for 1 to 2 people. However, it's recommended not to fill it beyond 1.2 liters for optimal use. Featuring an insulated handle and a lid knob, the kettle protects your hands from heat, while the spout is designed to prevent splashing. Its foldable handle enhances stability and makes it easy to pack and carry. Weighing just 6.7 ounces and accompanied by a mesh bag, it's ideal for camping, hiking, picnics, or any outdoor adventure needing a warm drink. It's a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts who cherish warm moments over a hot cup of tea or coffee. The Boan portable gas lantern is your reliable source of light for outdoor adventures. This compact and lightweight lantern is easy to carry, making it perfect for camping trips, hiking, or any outdoor activity where you need reliable lighting. It operates using gas, providing a bright and adjustable light to fit your needs, whether you're setting up camp, cooking, or simply enjoying the evening outdoors. Designed with durability in mind, the lantern is built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring it can light up your adventures for years to come. It comes with a convenient carrying case, making transport and storage hassle-free. Simple to use and highly efficient, this lantern is essential for any outdoor enthusiast looking to brighten their night with a dependable light source. The Geyserilly Camping Coffee Pot is a versatile and portable solution for outdoor enthusiasts looking to enjoy hot beverages on the go. It features a collapsible design, making it incredibly compact and easy to pack, saving valuable space in your backpack. When expanded, it holds up to 1.5 liters, allowing you to boil a generous amount of water for coffee, tea, or meals. Crafted from quality silicone and stainless steel, it's built to last and withstand temperatures ranging from very cold to hot. It's simple to use. Just fill it with water and place it on a stove to heat. This durable coffee pot is perfect for various activities, from hiking and camping to barbecues and outdoor sports. Adding convenience, it comes with a sealed lid that keeps out dust and debris, ensuring you have clean water in any outdoor setting. This coffee pot is an excellent gift for anyone who loves the outdoors, offering them a practical tool to enhance their adventures. The Puffin beverage jacket, affectionately known as the OG, is an innovative accessory designed to keep your drinks warm or cold while you're on the go. Drawing inspiration from a high-quality sleeping bag, this jacket encases your beverage in a layer of protective insulation, effectively maintaining its temperature for extended periods. This product features a charming, outdoorsy design that resembles a classic sleeping bag, complete with zippers and a small carabiner for attaching it to your backpack or belt loop. It's an ideal companion for camping trips, hikes, or any outdoor activities where you want to enjoy a drink at your preferred temperature. Lightweight and practical, the Puffin beverage jacket enhances your outdoor experiences by ensuring you always have a comforting drink in hand. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode and found our essential outdoor gear guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and guides to make your outdoor adventures unforgettable. Gear up, step out, and experience the beauty of the great outdoors with confidence. Can't wait to see you on the next adventure. Happy exploring!